for right now.
Then I can't do Snapchats.
We should have did before and after of the car.
He broke it.
Mm-hmm. You're still good? Yeah, I guess so.
Thank you.
All right.
Hi. Baby's the cameraman over there.
Look at the white butterflies. Good luck.
Look at the yellow one.
Where?
There.
Ah, that's beautiful. I don't know what that means.
It was like a really, like right there. Sit down.
Huh? I seen it. There's another one?
Look,
So can the
this
art-
is we just passed tires and boulders, so right now we're right here. Unless somebody wants to keep track or.
Alright.
tires and boulders.
We just passed it.
So now where are we?
We're going straight.
We're like in the corner somewhere right now.
What?
That guy broke his thing.
This track is for bikes and ATVs.
That track over there.
Is it hard to drive on both sides?
I don't think so. I don't think it is. What do you say about Chicago?
What do you say?
I heard him say Chicago.
And last time I came, all this was mud. So right now it's not so bad.
Look at the two butterflies. They were flying up together.
I seen it.
Let's go to Carnage. Oh.
Let me drive this in two-wheel drive. See how it does.
We're gonna get stuck.
But if I get stuck, then I just put it back in four.
Okay, dokie.
This is what I need for the winter.
Look over there, the
Oh, look at this. It's beautiful.
big ditch, whatever. Damn! No, I can't.
Don't do that one.
Victor, no.
You shouldn't. He's already breaking.
Go in there. The water. He's gonna do it.
Oh my god. He's too much.
Crazy.
Gordon right here. On the side.
You should go more up so we can see the ditch.
Should I close my window?
Nah, it's not gonna come over here. Maybe we should jump out and record.
Yeah, because these plants block it.
Go out there.
I'm not going out there.
Why?
I don't want to.
You don't want to get dirty?
Should have brought my crap.
Oh, he's closing his window. There he goes.
He's going.
You need to leave that right there. You destroying that tree.
That shit is deep. Oh my god. No, Victor.
You get
Yeah,
stuck
he's
everywhere.
stuck again.
He doesn't know how to drive going back. He's supposed to do his wheel side to side.
He is.
Help! Hey, don't do it no more. Stop.
Hey, who's older?
Victor.